Okay guys, this is a 2024 Ford Bronco Sport. Rebuilt title, damage was right here in the rear. All been fixed up. I believe this has a 1.5 liter motor. Should do really good in gas mileage. All-wheel drive. Big Bend model. Trim level. All-weather floor mats. Looks like it has a sunroof. It has like 17,500 miles on it. Does have the adaptive cruise, lane assist, backup camera, all your driver assistance packages. Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, heated seats. Wireless charging. There's that mileage, 17,616. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power seat. Here's your VIN number. Again, rebuilt title, damage was here in the rear. It's all been fixed up. Is it past alignment? Cool desert tan color. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.